What's up guys, I'm Shakil from TechTuber. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys to change the default download location in Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's get into the video.
Hello girls and boys, ready? Let's begin.
Open Google Chrome and you will be able to see three dots in the top right corner. Click on it and some options will appear. You have to go down and you will see settings. Click on it and Google Chrome settings will appear. Scroll down to the bottom and you will be able to see advanced. Click on it and scroll down and you will be able to see the downloads category. In that you will be able to see the location category. You have to click on the change button and select your new download location folder. For example, now I am selecting my programs folder and the download location has been changed. You have another option. Whenever you are downloading something, Google will always ask you where to save each file before downloading. If you want that to be enabled, you can just click on it and it will be enabled. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.